Welcome back everybody to today's integral. So today we will be using the substitution technique. So the goal of the substitution technique is to substitute some parts inside the integral so we could make it look like something integrable, or at least in the integration table. So as we have said before, we usually or always actually we take something that is inside of a bracket, inside of a trig function, inside of a square root, for example. All right. So here, as you have guessed, we will be substituting 9 minus x squared. So we'll have u equal to 9 minus x squared. Now after differentiating the du, actually why do we differentiate? We differentiate for two reasons. When we differentiate, we usually cancel the outside terms, and at the same time we are changing the dx to du, which, as we have said before, we must always have one type of variables inside our integral. So here we have du over dx equal 9 is gone, negative 2 x to the power of 1. Alright, so now let's substitute. We'll have the integral of 3x over u du. Or before substituting, we forgot to make this equal to dx. So what is dx? Dx is equal to, just take the reciprocal. Basically, we will have dx over du, or basically just take the negative 2x to the denominator and the dx up here. Or let's just do it step by step. Multiply dx by both sides, then divide both sides by negative 2x. We'll end up with dx equal to du over negative 2x. Alright, du over negative 2x. So as you can see over here, this x cancels with this x, and the 3 over negative 2 will be taken outside the integral, and we will end up with negative 3 over 2 times the integral of 1 over square root of u du. And we have seen the integration of this before in a previous video using the integration table. Let's solve it again real quick. So 1 over u, it will change to 1 over u, 1 over 2 du, which is also equal to u to the power of negative 1 over 2, which will be equal to u to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Negative 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2. So we'll have 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, and as we have said before, we can just take the reciprocal of the fraction and multiply it by the numerator. We'll have 2 over 1, which is basically just 2. Okay, let's delete this. 1 second, real quick. Alright. Okay, it's not deleting anyways, so we'll just take this as our answer. And of course, it's negative 3 over 2 times u times 2. This 2 cancels with this 2, equal to negative 3 times u to the power of 1 over 2. And we started with x, we end up with x. Our u is 9 minus x squared, equal to negative 3, negative 9 minus 9 minus x squared to the power of 1 over 2, and we know the power of 1 over 2 is also the square root, so we can say negative 3 square root 9 minus x squared plus c. We can say that this is our final answer, and thank you for watching. That was Professor Seemo, and this video is part of the integration series where I solve an integral every day, and this series covers integral table, substitution technique, by parts, a higher power of trig techniques, and partial fractions. If you wish to see more videos related to this series, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, the like button to share and support this video, and of course you can also share it yourself with your friends and colleagues so everyone could learn. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the bell button to see and get notified when a new video is uploaded. Thank you again. We'll see you in the next video.